Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks for joining me on this yoga for pain relief class. We are going to take a look today at how to relieve back pain with a few simple yoga asanas or yoga poses that anybody can do. And we're going to start off lying down. So let's get in position. You're going to separate the feet about hips width apart. Bring 2 yoga blocks and then gently lie down. I want you to close your eyes. A long deep breath in, bring your hands together, and we're going to initiate that sacred space of the practice. Om. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down. Good. Now we'll start to work with the yoga blocks, and you might need 1 or 2 blocks depending on kind of how thick they are. I'll start off with 1 and then I might do a second one. Now we're going to lift the hips up and place the block right at the sacrum. And I'm using the block in kind of like a wide rectangle version. And then extend the legs. So this is a supported bridge pose. And if you've been sitting, driving, or doing any movements that really kind of just close the front of the hip joint, this is a wonderfully therapeutic posture that really helps you just relax. If you feel that your body kind of wants to open more, then you can use the second block and lift the hips up a little bit higher. And then after you lift the hips up a little bit higher, make sure that it's your sacrum, not the lower back, that's settled on. And you can try to either keep the knees bent, like I have them now, or you can extend the legs, which is going to give you a deeper release through the front body. So let's close the eyes and we'll be here for a little bit. Enter that meditative space. And if you feel that there's like too much pressure around the lower back, you want to make sure that you enter the posture by tucking the tailbone, letting the sacrum settle, extending the legs, and then releasing the effort. This should give you kind of like a natural back bend. And we don't want there to be too much pressure around the lower back. Instead, you want to think about spaciousness, almost as though the ribs float away from the hips. And close the eyes. Good, deep breaths. If you've had a long and busy day, or if there have been many emotions that have bubbled up throughout the day, take this time just for yourself. You could bring the feet a little closer together, or you can let them stay, hips width apart. Feel the breath moving in, embracing the moment, breath moving out. Breath moving in, breath moving out. Release any tension that you feel in your body. Release any tension that might be present in the mind. Good. Maybe just 5 more deep breaths. You're doing really well. Again, if the feet kind of slide open, that's totally fine. This is your space just to breathe and be. Very good. We'll be here for just maybe 3 more breaths. Embrace the moment. 2 more breaths. The last breath. And start to move your feet just a little bit. Nice. We'll bend the knees. Activate the pelvic floor and let's lift the hips up. And it's time to remove the yoga blocks. Let's exhale as we settle the blocks down. And you could push them over to the side because we won't be using them right now. Let the spine kind of settle. And then extend your right leg, drawing the left knee up into the chest. Good. Now we'll enter reclining twists. So as you exhale, cross over the center line of the body with the left leg Inhale, lift your right arm up and spiral it on open. Good, and notice any little bands of tension. You're going to wiggle around a little bit and kind of get it so it feels good. Do that. Nice. Okay. Let everything go. Feel the tension in the body just kind of melting off of you. Tight muscles, give them permission to spiral and release open. Good. 5 more breaths. Let it go. Release and open. Very good. Appreciate the beauty of the moment, the magic of the moment. 2 more breaths. Very good. Let's do 1 more breath. Inhale, come back to the center. Let's bend both knees. We'll prepare to switch the sides. Extend the left leg. Draw the right knee in. And then exhale, let's cross over. Good. Lift your right arm up and then spiral it open. Good. And, if you want to find a good place for the foot, notice the difference one side to the other. Keep your awareness calm, attuned to the sensitivity of the moment. Let your heart remain open. Every breath coming back into balance and harmony. Stay here for 5 more breaths. Good. Keep breathing. A little deeper with each breath. Good. Maybe 4 more breaths. Three more breaths. Two more breaths. The last breath. Inhale, let's come on back into the center. Constructive rest position just for a moment. Good. Draw the knees up into the chest. Give yourself a little squeeze. Then let's bring the feet up. Kind of let the feet do their thing for a moment. This is happy baby pose. So you can hold on to your calf muscles or hold on to the feet. Good. We'll stay for a little bit, relaxing the back. Mind is calm. Steady breathing. Good. Keep it calm and easy. Embrace the moment, the magic of what is. Embrace the beauty. Embrace the perfectly imperfect moment. All that is. We'll be here for about 5 more breaths. Keep breathing. 4 more breaths. Good. Nice work. 3 more breaths. 2 more breaths. Very good. We're almost there. And now we have the last breath. At the end of this exhalation, let's place the feet gently on the ground and spiral the knees in towards each other. Resting here just for a few moments as you feel the weight of the body connecting into the ground underneath you. The weight of the body releasing. Extend the arms and legs. Let's lie down and take rest. And as you're lying down and taking rest, release your mind, release your body, and let everything go. Embrace the moment. Embrace the magic Embrace the beauty, embrace the love that's within your heart. Now let's gently reawaken the body. Start to move your fingers, toes. We'll come back to constructive rest position. Nice. We're going to do the Om in this position so that you stay as relaxed as possible. Hands in prayer, a long deep breath in. Om. As you exhale, let's roll over onto the side. Slowly find your way gently back up. Nice. Good work, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.